Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. I'm Riku from Japan. This channel is all about Go, which is an exciting and easy to start board game. Today, I would like to introduce important Go terms. I've mentioned some of them in the previous videos, but there are more than that. That's why I created this video to introduce Go terms you need as a Go player. Additionally, knowing Go terms helps you to improve your skills because you will understand explanations better. So let's begin! In the previous videos, I've mentioned some terms related to Go rules. Today, I would like to start with terms related to points, which are the intersections on a Go board. There are names for certain points. First one is a center point or tengen. It is literally the center point of a board. It can be found easily as it is shown as a black dot. This center point is one of the start points. Do you remember what the start points are? The start points are these 9 black dots on a Go board. Next term is 3 points or san. Actually, I mentioned it before. 3 point indicate the intersections of third lines from the side. So there are 4 3 points on the board. Similar to this, there are 5 points. As you might have guessed, 5 points are the intersections of fifth lines. There are also 4 of them on the board. Additionally, 3 points are also one of the important terms. 3 points are the intersections of the third and the fourth lines, so there are 2 of them for each corner, meaning 8 points on the board in total. Then, there are 3 or 5 points. These are the intersections of third and fifth lines, so there are 8 of them, the same as 3 points. When those points are called, the horizontal line comes first and the vertical one is after. So this one is 3 and this one is 5 point. Finally, 5 points are the intersections of the fourth and fifth lines. There exist 5 points joseki, though I have never mentioned in the previous videos. You can always learn new joseki by yourself if you are interested in it. As you may have realized, those names points are around the corner. Those points have names because it is often used in explanations, since corner area is generally played in the opening stage of a game. Nextly, I would like to introduce terms related to basic techniques. First one is the diagonal move, or kusumi. It is a move to place a stone at a point diagonally adjacent to its own stone. It is very often used because the diagonal move prevents being divided by the opponent. Next one is knight's move, or keima. It is the same movement as the knight in chess. It is to put a stone on the left or right of a point which is 2 spaces from your stone. This technique is often used in the early stage of a game. In relation to this, there is large knight's move, or ogeima. Large knight's move is to put a stone on the left or right of a point which is 3 spaces from your stone. So, it is 1 space farther than knight's move. That is why it says large. Next one is a descent, or sagari. A descent is a move to extend your stones toward the edge of a board. It is usually used in corner and side areas. Then, the next one is a slide. A slide is a play of sliding under an opponent's stone. There is no clear definition of this technique, but it is usually played in the form of knight's move or a large knight's move. Following that, monkey jump is a large knight's move from the second line to the first line. It is often used at the ending phase of a game when fixing boundary lines. Now, this is the last term, corner enclosure. A corner enclosure is a play to enclose a corner by making two moves in the same corner. This is an example of a corner enclosure. Now, let's do some quiz to review the terms I introduced today. Question 1. Where is tengen? Tengen is the center point of a board shown as a black dot. This center point is one of the start points, which are 9 black dots on the Go board. Question number 2. What is descent? A descent is a move to extend your stones toward the edge of a board. Last question. What is a monkey jump? Are ready? A monkey jump is a play of a large knight's move from the second line to the first line. Do you remember that? Today I have introduced Go terms related to points and basic techniques. Learning terms helps you to understand explanations of Go and to improve your skills. You don't need to remember everything at once, but learn it one by one. In the next video, I will introduce Go terms related to good moves. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. See you in my next video.